Dreamers, we are here at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. Tim and Hunter have a camp out this weekend, so they're roughing it in the wilderness. And what did Kelly and I decide to do? We decided to head down to Disney and stay at the most luxurious resort at Disney World. We got in late last night and it was pretty dark, so we didn't do a lot of filming last night, but I know you guys always love to see the rooms wherever we travel. So you guys know what time it is. Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. What did you guys think of the room? Super swanky, right? And let me tell you, those beds are so comfortable. Kelly and I crashed late last night and oh my gosh, we slept until like 10 o'clock. We were so tired. Super comfortable beds. Now Kelly has a big agenda because you know this is a mother-son weekend, so Kelly's got a big agenda. But you'll be shocked to know we're not hitting the parks. We're gonna do some mini golf and we're gonna do Disney Springs and we're gonna hit the pool and maybe watch the electrical water pageant. So lots of plans, but all of them don't involve the parks. Go figure, you can actually go to Disney World and have fun without hitting the parks. But the first thing on the agenda is Disney Springs. Street tacos and thought they were great. I got roasted chicken with mashed potatoes and green beans, and mine was You tried it too. Did you like it? So one that was fish tacos were spectacular. One and then one spectacular.
Now that we're so hot from Disney Springs, let's go to the pool.
Good morning. I am just sitting on the balcony this morning having my coffee and enjoying the view. Kelly and I had so much fun hanging out at the pool. We spent hours just riding the water slide, which was amazing, super fast, and just enjoying the pool area. And then we got to see the electrical water pageant at night. We were so excited to see that parade again. And if you guys don't know, pre-COVID, the electrical water pageant was the longest running parade in Disney history. Not just Disney World, Disney history. How cool is that? So it was really neat just to sit on the beach and watch that parade last night. And then of course we crashed in these awesome beds last night. Oh, so comfortable. All right, but this morning I have my coffee and I am going to get a little exercise this morning. I'm gonna walk around the resort a little bit, and I thought maybe you guys wanna come with me. Do you wanna go check out Disney's Grand Floridian Resort? It is checkout day, so we are getting all of our stuff together and checking out of Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. But don't worry, the fun is not over yet. We're about to do Kelly's favorite activity ever. Do you guys know what that activity is? Leave a comment below if you know. All right, before I tell you, the cool thing, the activity that we're about to do is free. Free. We booked a package here called a basic package, and it's literally just our room and a bunch of free stuff that goes with it, which is super cool. It includes a card that's called Magical Extras that includes discounts at shopping, dining, activities, and we get free mini golf. And yep, that's Kelly's favorite activity ever. He loves mini golf. So we are packing up all our stuff, checking out, and headed over to Fantasia Gardens for some mini golf. This is like real golf.
Yes.
Look at that course. That's awesome. So Kelly and I decided to do the fairways side of Fantasia Gardens because the other side was a 45-minute wait. This one was only 10 minutes. So we're doing this one, and it's our first time. It's actually really fun. What? Where's the hole?
Above the...
Oh, is it going in? Oh, it's going in that little one.
The hole.
Ah. Like so close. Let's see if I can get it in this close. Boop. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Oh, that ended in the... Oh.
Oh, oh, nice. Thanks so much for joining. We will see you next time. Bye. Love you all.